Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So this is just a quick heads up because Elementor is offering now a birthday sale with up to 60% discounts to their plans. So if you plan to get Elementor or you did not manage to get Elementor so far and you like this page builder, then this is the time to get it. You will find the link in this video's description, so go ahead guys and check the Elementor birthday sale. It is linked in this video description. You will find up to 60% discount. So if you get the agency plan, you will get, instead of $9.99, only $3.99 per year. For Elementor Pro, this is 60% off. Also, the expert plan is 20% and advanced plan 10% off. If you want to get the cloud website builder from Elementor, where they are providing a full WP builder and built-in hosting, also you can get it instead of $99 only for $69 per year, $69. So this is 40% off. And please note that the Elementor birthday sale expires tomorrow. So go ahead guys, and if you want to grab Elementor, you can do it now. Click the link in this video's description and you will find this page where you will be able to buy Elementor at a discounted price. So yeah, this is all for today. This was just a quick video update because I wanted you guys to let you know guys about this Elementor birthday sale, which is really cool. I also grabbed some licenses from here now. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.